थी ऐप को लेके बवाल मचा हुआ है। आखिर ये बवाल मचा क्यों है? कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता भी अपनी अपनी राय दे रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं संचार साथी ऐप ही बनाया इसलिए गया है कि बीजेपी जासूसी कर सके कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और लोगों किस तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं। प्रियंका गांधी ने भी इस पे दुख जताया है, बोलते हैं कहा कि एक ऐप फ्रॉड है, सीधा सीधा लोगों के साथ जासूसी करने का काम है।
It a snooping app, so you know what it is then. But you said snooping app, so it is a snooping app. I mean, clearly, it's ridiculous. Now, where else do they want to, you know? I mean, citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends, without the government looking at everything. It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they are refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything, and that is not democracy. A healthy democracy demands discussion, and everybody has different views. You hear them out.
प्रियंका जी, आपकी पार्टी ने क्या मांग करेगी? संचार साथी ऐप को वापस लिया जाए।
करना तो चाहिए। अभी मैंने सबसे बात नहीं की है, तो आज शायद वो चर्चा करके अपना डिसीजन लेंगे कि हमारा क्या स्टैंड है। लेकिन but that's a very fine line, no? It's a very fine line between fraud is easy to report and we can see everything that every citizen of India is doing on their phone. So that's not how it should work. There should be an effective system to report fraud, and we've discussed this at great length on cyber security and this and that, and definitely there's a need for cyber security, but that doesn't mean that it gives you an excuse to go into every citizen's telephone. I don't think any citizen would be happy.